Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video we have come with another amazing and unique update for you. In this video today I will be showing you how you can earn money online using your Telegram or your smartphone that you are currently using. There are many ways we can earn money online, but most of our subscribers or most of the people that are following on us on this channel don't know how to earn money online. So in this video today I have a step-by-step trick for you that I will be showing you on how you can possibly earn money online by just mining. Recently we brought an update on this channel on how you can earn money with Coin, and we also brought a withdrawal proof on how you can withdraw on Coin. So today I have a new update for you that works exactly like Coin. With this update you can be able to earn money online without doing anything. Yes, without doing anything, because I will be giving you a secret and tips on how you can be able to do that with your with your smartphone or with your Android device or with your iPhone. You can be able to earn money online using these particular tricks I will be showing you today. Guys, as you can see from this video, I have been showing you on how you can earn with Coin, how you can withdraw on Coin. So today we have a new update that is called notcoin. Notcoin has been a popular way of earning online recently. So today I felt it's very important that I bring this update to you on this channel so that you can be able to benefit too. So guys, here without wasting much time, please let's get started with me. So I will be dropping the link on the description for easy access, and once you click on the link, it will be bringing you to a Telegram. And guys, once you click on the link on the first comment section or on the description, it will bring you to this interface. And once it brings you to this interface, what you're going to be doing here, you have to click on start. So it Tapswap and then notcoin. It Tapswap on notcoin. I believe many of you have already heard about this particular mining or this particular way of earning online. So that is why we have brought it to you here on this channel in order for you to earn online too. So guys, this is the interface of this particular site. This particular site works only if you tap on this particular box here, only if you tap on it. But I have a secret for you that you can be able to use without even tapping with your phone. I have a third-party application that I will be showing you today in order to earn or in order to tap or mine without doing anything by yourself. So guys, as you can see, but before I show you further on how to use this particular way of earning money, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, or if you have been visiting us and you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please, we request you that you hit on the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload this kind of content on this channel, you will be the first person to be notified. So guys, as you can see here, I will be taking you step by step. Don't forget, I will be taking you step by step. Let's talk about the first thing that has to deal with the referrals. So let's click on the referrals. Guys, as you can see, with these referrals, you can be able to earn more with the referrals. In fact, one of the best way to earn faster in this particular Tapswap or notcoin is by inviting your friends, and your friends don't need to do anything. They don't need to work any work, because it is very simple to earn with this. So guys, as you can see, I do not have any referral in this particular account. I have two accounts. So in this particular one, I do not have any referral, and then I will be showing you how you can claim the referral bonus. So guys, apart from that, let's talk about tax. Let's click on tax. Let's see what we have about tax. In this tax, guys, as you can see, you can join our social medias. Once you join their social media, you can be able to earn 200 um 200 coins once you join their social media. So let's click on it and see how it was, guys. As you can see, guys, you have to join the Telegram chat, you join their X handle, then you visit their website. Once you do that, you can be able to earn more. And guys, in order to do that, you just have to click on start mission. And guys, once you click on start mission, they will be asking you to join the Telegram chat, then you join the X handle, and then the website. I have not done that yet, but you have to make sure that um, all these three options are being filled by you. So you can easily click on go, you can easily click on go and go like this. So let's go back, guys. So the next one we have connect Solana wallet. Connect Solana wallet. In my next video, guys, I will be showing you how you can get this Solana wallet. In my next video, I will be showing you how you can get it. It's very simple. And guys, as you can see from here, it says log into Tapswap with your Solana wallet. All project and partner drops will be sent to the wallet you provide here. So guys, I will be showing you how you can be able to get that. Once you get your Solana wallet, you can be able to click on go. So let's go back. So this is what we have. And guys, we have leaks mean levels. The leaks mean levels. And guys, as you can see, I'm already on bronze and I can claim my 1000. So guys, as you can see, I have claimed my 1000. So these are the leaks, and we also call them levels. So guys, we have bronze, we have gold, we have silver, we have gold, we have platinum, we have diamond, we have master, we have grandmaster, we have elite, we have legendary, we have mythic. So these are some of the levels. So let's talk about the referrals. In order to check your referrals, here you can easily click here. And guys, as you can see, once you invite a particular friend, you will get 2500 coins once you invite a particular friend. And once you invite 3 friends, you get 50,000 coins. And once you invite 10 friends, you get 200,000 coins. And once you invite 25 friends, you get 250,000. Once you invite 50 friends, you get 300,000 coins. So guys, as you can see, this is how you can be able to claim. And guys, don't forget, once a particular friend join, you can be able to see claim. You can be able to see claim once a particular friend join. So this is how you can be able to earn more on this particular site. Let's talk about the tab itself. Let's talk about the tab itself. Let's click on tab. Guys, how can we earn faster with this tab? Let's go back. I have a third-party application to show you. So let's open our Play Store. If you are using Android, so you can be able to use the App Store. So I have a particular application that I will be showing you today, and the name of this application is GC Auto GC Auto Clicker. GC Auto Clicker. This is the application. I've already installed this application on my mobile device. And how do we use this application? Let me quickly show you how you can use this application. And guys, in order to use this application, let's just open this application like this. I'll be dropping the link of this application on the first comment section. So it will be coming up like this. Of course, it is a free application, so let's click on cancel up here. So it will be coming up like this. Sorry, it's asking us for update. So what you're going to be doing here, you have to click on start. Click on start. It will be asking you for configuration. So because I have already configured this already, so let's still click on, let's say, new configuration. So it will be coming up like this. It may ask you for more permission in order to get access to this application. May ask you for more permission. So guys, what we're going to be doing here, you have to click on multi-point mode. So you click on it like this, and after then, guys, you have to click on start. So it will be coming up like this. So what we're going to be doing, after you must have enabled these settings, so you have to go back to your Telegram. So guys, we have a plus icon here. We have a plus icon. In this plus icon, you have to click on the plus icon. You click on the plus icon, you click on the plus icon again, you can click on the plus icon again. So guys, as you can see, you can be able to arrange this. Like this. So you can still click on the plus icon, guys, as you can see. So we have to make sure that they are in the box. So let me click on another one. So guys, as you can see, what you're going to be doing, next thing you're going to be doing here, you have to click on the play icon. Guys, as you can see, you have to click on the play icon. So you click on it like this. Guys, as you can see, this is very easy to use. So you don't need to tap you don't need to tap, you don't need to keep tapping. So this is the only thing to do. But in the normal times, you have to use your hand to tap. So but with the help of this application, you just have to enable this application, and then you don't need to tap again. You don't need to tap again. That's as you can see how this application is working perfectly for us. You don't need to do anything. You earn money in your comfort zone. You earn money in your comfort zone. So guys, the next thing I will be showing you, here we have boost. We have boost down below. So let me cancel this one so we can see everything very well. So guys, as you can see, there are many ways you can boost this particular miner. We have multi-tab, we have energy limit, we have recharging speed. In this app, you can be able to buy more coins. That is the recharging speed. You can be able to buy more coins. So guys, as you can see, more coins have been added. We have energy limit, so you click on it, you guys, as you can see, we are getting more coins. So guys, as you can see, insufficient funds. So just don't forget, I said you can be able to buy coins on this particular site or on this particular way of earning. So let's click on start. So in this start, here you get the total touches, you get the total players, daily users, online users. So it's just like a summary on how this particular site is working. So guys, this is how you can be able to use this. Please, if you have any question about this, you can drop a comment on the comment section. We are ever ready to reply to you. There are more updates that will be coming about this Tapswap. There is a more update that will be coming, and by God's grace, our next video will show you more on how you can use this particular way of earning money online. And please, if you found this video to be helpful to you, hit on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to also share and comment. Thanks for watching guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.